Yes, we don't come back.
Petiana now.
Plenty people are going. They're talking plenty things. As fact, as I read everything, to say that maybe the girl where they stay the house, only me by myself go pack my load. But make I read on top facing book. Blessing on God to say, if una sure say una no do am anything, it means say she depossessed. So make una better send her packing before she go send una to una grave. Because I feel say she depossessed and she needs serious deliverance. Amazing your girl me say. Maybe she don't meet one of all those fake prophets them. But they tell her rubbish, so she they act accordingly. The best thing is to send her out, but give her time so that she go feel move. You guys know they safe with them again. Lovely girl say, I agree with my big sis. She don't listen to people. Now better send her packing. She be bad person before she puts juju for una food.
Correct.
What did she do? That's because she did pray.
She don't chop for the house again.
She don't chop for the house again.
Oh,
so there is but really there is she put something inside because she know they chop the food. If a man now say she don't deserve to stay that house because you're good go bring problem if you know they careful. Osilama or yarenwa.
Today
we know your people be this way. Say please, you have to be very careful and smell when danger is coming because problem is coming close to your home and please act fast. Please kick her out of the house so your good won't cost you.
Oh,
so our people they speak English.
and they're very polite. The please they plenty. Say please.
Never see me. Politeness won't kill me now.
Sorry?
Please, you're very stupid.
Polite? No, I'm serious. I get one boyfriend and girlfriend. I say, baby, honey, you're stupid. Darling, you're a fool. I say, what kind of joke is this?
Michael Fresh. He said, now who gets house? First question.
As usual.
I like that they talk.
Una suppose they firm with una policies, bracket, rules and guidelines. As long as it no be punishment or when I know they affect her rights negatively or as she put maltreatment. If she no follow am for 6 months, my brother and sister for peace to reign, and I fit show her where to let. Say if you show her where he dey, so she go pay for there. Sulaiman Adebara, he said that means the place where she dey live before, them not really maltreat am. She don't see say your house sweet. Now why she can't, relocate?
Yeah.
One thing they do and be say she won't make you throw them out so that she go fit tell people say you know be better person. Say now
right. Those kind of people there.
Yeah. All right. Thanks a bunch to all those. Wait, don't send messages, can't give us. But right about now, we're going to need to do our wear or throw segment. Yes. Let us decide whether we go to wear them or make we throw them.
Let's check it.
Oh, we need it.
We check it. Your
first picture, please.
Picture number 1.
My dress.
Round 1. Fight.
My basket.
Who go wear them out of all of us?
Lady Gaga.
Queen Bee, you go wear them?
Not at all.
Amaka?
Sorry.
Betty?
Pass.
Me? No. 50-50. Next one. Next one.
Oh, so weird. Now Kim Kade Asian.
Is it black also?
Is she money?
Yeah, it's black.
Who go wear them?
I go wear them.
You go wear them?
Yes. I go wear them when I get single. I go wear them when I marry. I go wear them when I get belly. I go wear them when I born.
So definitely you go wear them.
I
can't go wear them.
50-50. I feel manage.
Because they say they go wear them. Is that why?
Because at first you said, I don't like her.
All right, next picture, please. Amaka go wear this one.
Yes, but I go wear something inside.
I know. And Petiana?
I don't want. Also me.
And the last one?
Close to it.
The last one, is that, okay, but like saying that's the 3 now we actually get.
I like this one.
I go wear that one.
I know weird.
You know that's
not
bad.
bad.
I go wear that one.
I know, but I don't like nets.
Because of the heat.
Lazy.
All right, so make you actually enter you sabi say and tell us which one you go like and which one you not go like for inside that one. Now you sabi say. Let us check your intelligence. Now you sabi say.
No, you go do check.
You sabi say na China first do paper.
Yes.
Now secondly, you sabi say them be called internet. APRANET, will be Advanced Research Project Agency Network. If or not sweet.
You take out from my mouth, it's not sweet.
If or not sweet.
That's small shekel.
The third one, you sabi say na ordinary hand then be they use play tennis before.
How? Your hand will
so that one na harness.
Don't harness. Amaka. Your hand go swear.
People who don't play that tennis with their hand for like 4 years, make them come slap you or make them give you Agbara for back.
Thank God the bat was there, please, thank God. And the last one for today. You sabi say, then be they call Tokyo Edo before.
Oh, my people! Oh, my God!
Benin people visa to go Tokyo, so now we go.
Collabo.
That's it about now I hear this word, made in Tokyo.
Made in Tokyo.
Made in Tokyo.
Not in Tokyo. Jamanji.
Jamanji. No, Gama. Gamanji.
Sus that they talk
Gamanji.
Nana people.
No.
Nana people.
All right, now so if you're on top of the show today, hope say you enjoy your phone and also you enjoy yourself, and hope say we give you some things the way if we help you as you they go on with your day-to-day activities. But from all of us for Talk, we say we're gonna get better Tuesday. We'll go meet tonight tomorrow. We'll be our family day. Queen Bee is yawning. Let's go and sleep.
Yes.
All right, that's today. Always the talk.
To talk, not be bad thing, but make it a way to talk about.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.